Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. So students, in today's class we are going to talk about chapter 2nd of GK, that is the world of dinosaurs. Okay, so let us discuss about this. So for that, first one we have to learn about the classification. Okay, so kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Archosauria, order Saurustia, family Tyrannosauridia. Okay, moving further, what are dinosaurs? So let us discuss about this. So dinosaurs were one of the most dominant animals ever to have lived on our earth. They lived on the earth for over 165 million years from the late Triassic period, about 230 million years ago, until the end of the Cretaceous period, 65 million years ago. Dinosaurs are translated from the Greek dino and saurus, meaning terrible, and lizard, which describes exactly the most dinosaurs looked like. However, dinosaurs have varied in size, with some known to have grown to a massive 15 meters tall and others to be only the size of a chicken. Dinosaurs were very different from one another. For example, some were big, some were small, some were very small, some walked on two legs and some walked on four legs. So, dinosaurs were one of the most dominant animals ever to have lived on our earth. Okay, and they lived on the earth for 165 million years for the late Triassic period. Okay, dinosaurs is translated from the Greek dino and saurus, that means terrible, and lizard, which describes exactly what most dinosaurs looked like. So they have varied in size, with some known to have grown to a massive 15 meters and tall, and others to be only the size of chicken. Dinosaurs were very different from one another. They were different from one another. For example, some were big, whereas some were small. Some walked on their two legs, while some walked on their four legs. Now moving further, so dinosaurs were either herbivores or carnivores. They have been extinct for millions of years. We study the fossils to learn all that we can about them. So dinosaurs were either herbivores or carnivores. They have been extinct. Okay, they have been extinct for millions of years, and for to learn more about them, we study their fossils. Okay, now we are going to learn about different types of dinosaurs. So dinosaurs can be divided into different kinds by their name, by their species classification, by what they ate, and by when they lived, or other by size. Okay, so now for that, in this first one we have pteropods. So they are meat eaters. They have powerful legs and they have short arms. For example, T-rex. Now moving further, Ornithopoda. Second one is Ornithopoda. So they walked and ran on two back feet. For example, Parasaurolophus. Now next one we have Sauropods. So they have long necks and they have long tails, and they walked on four feet. For example, Diplodocus. Okay, now next one we have Stegosaurus. They are slow, they walked slow. Okay, they have bony plates or spikes on their body. Okay, for example, Stegosaurus. Okay, now next one we have Ankylosauria. They are bony armor. They are bony armor. For example, Minmi. Now next one we have Ceropods. Cero, Ceratopsia. Now they have they have four-legged body. Okay, and they have three horns, and their body have bony frill. They have bony frill. For example, Triceratops. Okay. Now next one we have Pachycephalosauria. Okay. Pachycephalosauria. So they have thick skulls. They have thick skulls. They walked on back legs. They walked on back legs. For example, Pachycephalosauria. Okay, children. So we have read the lesson. I hope you all enjoyed the session. Thank you.